you can't tell, this is a snowstorm. You cannot see the road. If you actually want to know, right there is a road. A very large, you can see. You can normally see it, but you can't exactly see it in a snowstorm. I mean, this audio is probably a bit shit, but this is what a snowstorm looks like. If you've never seen a snowstorm, this is what a snowstorm looks like. And yes, if you can tell, this is real snow. Like, yeah, it's just snow. If you have never seen one, this is a snowstorm. Okay? Now, if you don't know, a snowstorm is basically when a lot of snow goes really fucking fast. And that is a snowstorm. And it's cold. Very cold. And this is the first time I fucking remember seeing one. Why? Because they never happen. No, they just never happen. This year has been the most snow I've ever seen in Norway. It's fucking ridiculous. And yeah, that's about it. Snowstorm moments.